Welcome. Today is 12th of July 2024. I'm hoping you're having a good day. So I had this particular setup in mind whereby I expected the market to deliver above this particular buy side liquidity pool. And it's wise for you to understand the conditions in which you're trading in. The dollar, of course, is bearish. So when it's bearish, we're expecting this particular foreign currencies to be bullish. Whatever set the stage for us is based on the premises on the higher time frame, or is the communication. Then we have our lower time frame refinements and transpose those particular levels to the lower time frames, the intraday time frames. So the daily time frame based on this particular asset class EURUSD has been bullish again. So we look for things to line up with the predominant order flow that is being communicated in the high time frame premise. So anticipated, whatever tends to be framing the movement of price surely as a result of liquidity. Of course, the market tends to be moving to where orders reside and imbalances, areas of inefficiency, so that can be able to offer rebalancing. So this is what I had. So you can be able to see the time stamp. July 10th, 2024, 4:05 a.m. New York time. So this was on Wednesday, 10th of July. So let us see what the market had for us, and I'll be able to offer even a deeper explanation at that particular point. Now this is the aftermath. So you'll be able to check on the higher time frame, the daily time frame. The market tends to be moving as a result of two things, ideally. But the best is whatever is happening outside the candlesticks, outside the candles. The market usually seek liquidity. But of course, you can as well use imbalances to frame your setup. Now, this particular month, July, according to the context and frameworks, in the beginning of the week, you're anticipating the decline in the dollar. So when the dollar is declining, you're expecting this particular foreign currencies to be bullish. EURUSD, GBPUSD, USD, NZD-USD, and some sort of a decline on USD CHF, USD JPY, USD CAD. So the market Mondays I don't trade because oftentimes it can serve as the accumulation of the weekly range. And remember, the end of the day, week, month, year is surely as a result of the power of three: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So most of the time when you check your economic calendar, at some point you usually experience bank holidays on Monday. And that one can even give us a context that you're expecting some sort of a sloppy price action on that particular day. So Monday, let it slide. And of course, the Mondays, the clues are usually generated on Monday, the clues for the week. So I'll be able to let it slide and utilize, the data that I'm getting over there to judge I'll be able to be trading for the week. So Mondays at some point will be able to be giving us the accumulation for the weekly range. Now on Tuesday, the market gave us the low of the week, and I had it prior. So the market opened for the weekly opening price, Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation. 70% of the time the market will be able to create the high of the low of the week on Tuesday. Now GBPUSD, consider this low. GBPUSD, if you overlay the SMT, went below this particular low, whereas EURUSD that you're seeing here failed. That is a crack in correlation. That is the smart money divergence, and it also gave us extra confidence that the market was predisposed to be moving to the upside now. Whereby Tuesday gave us the low of the week, and everything has to blend well with the time and price theory. It was inside the the London Close Killzone. So Wednesday, when I had the setup, I didn't want to see this particular low being taken out, but instead I wanted the market to come for this particular liquidity pool because the market tends to be moving to orders reside, and of course Monday's high in the form of this particular buy side liquidity pool over here. So the market opened, declined below the opening price, gave us the low of the day, which was a classic IST buy day. It's a normal protection because we had the Judah swing to the downside inside this particular bullish order block, this black candle over here. And the market found some sort of support over there. Inside, of course, time and price is very, very key. It has to meet. time fast, then price gave us the low of the day, then gave us a rally, took out this particular liquidity pool. On Thursday yesterday, we had the CPI for the dollar, but the market of course gave us also a buy day to initiate this particular buy sell liquidity pool to be taken out for complete delivery, but it also gave us even a lot of movement to the upside as a result of the CPI, the high impact, until it reached this particular 4 hours bearish order block. Now this was a classic expansion for the week, and this particular news, even they utilized it for the catalyst for profile 1, but the market dived into a premium array in form of the low of the bearish order block on the 4 hours time frame. Now ideally we should expect the capping of the weekly range on Thursday, but if the market is still having unfulfilled objective, maybe liquidity pool, we can have it on Friday, either London or New York Open. But most of the time we should expect the capping of the weekly range to happen on Thursday, whereby you can be able to see this is the weekly open, that is the accumulation. On Tuesday, manipulation, so open, manipulation, open, weekly open, manipulation, which is the Judas swing, whereby it created the low of the week at 1.08054 price level. Then you had the rally all the way to the upside over here. So for now I can't tell if this is the actual high for the week, because Fridays again I don't trade, but ideally we should expect the capping of the weekly range to happen on Thursday, whereby the market maybe, let's say, gave us the high. You're expecting some sort of a sell before we close. I don't know the close, you can't project what the close is, but the high you can, in as much as the none of our business for now. So the market had a spike into the bearish order block premium array on the first time frame, then sell off. At least it's still, you know, trading in that particular fashion. So this is what transpired for that particular week. The order of the day, week, month, year, power of 3: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I hope this one finds you well. I'm wishing the best of luck. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.